Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Wednesday the 15th of October and I ended up not taking a trade during my normal trading hours. As you can see, this is my new Express. Didn't take a trade on that. However, I did end up taking some trades on my bad Express during PM session and walk you guys through why I took them and also what my bias was for the day. So zooming out, coming into the day, I was bullish, but I wanted to see a retrace down, so I was tempted to catch a short down to this 4 hour and London low, but I didn't really get my setup or any setup I was comfortable taking, and I didn't want to catch these were like possible longs after we disrespect and stuff, but I want to come down to the 4 hour and didn't want to take these before my PY got hit, because that has caused me to lose a lot before. But could have taken this long, but like I don't really know what we reacted off of this thing, but I don't think we had, we had a higher time from SMT, but like a really bad one, or we didn't really even react off of that. We did react off of this 30-minute order block, but I want to come down lower and sweep London low before taking a long, which didn't end up happening, and we just ran up. So I don't think there's any way I would have taken this long. I know some people took it, but I just didn't feel comfortable taking this long. So here I was like, maybe I'll catch a short down to rebalance, but we just shop and I got off the charts like at around 11. At 11 I got off the charts and I did other things. Then I looked at my phone and I saw that we were going down, and I thought, okay, maybe now I'll get a continuation long, because here I either want to catch a short down or a continuation long to these highs. We had built all this nice liquidity. ES was a lot lower. It had already rebalanced, and we had a bullish SMT with this internal low. And then we have that SMT, we get this final sweep, and then we get momentum up, make the cyst, and disrespect this 1 minute. So here I messed up. I was gonna go long, but I accidentally went short first, realized it like 30 seconds after. I exited it, the position, made like $13, then I entered long, which gave me a better entry. So I had my entry right here. But we just shot straight to SL. So I lost like $160 on this Express, but I didn't really want to end it on a loss, and this Express is still in drawdown. So I kind of went away from my rules right here, because I just want to make some, didn't want to be down on the day, and I was honestly fine with losing the account, because I have a new one and this is in deep drawdown. But then I took a short here with 3 contracts. My idea was to add to the position if we came into this 30 second, but we didn't. So TP just got hits, which may be basically BE on the day. And then I saw this long after ES swept out London low and came into this 4 hour, while NQ didn't. So we had this higher time frame bullish SMT. We get momentum up, we disrespect all of these 1 minute, we disrespected both these 2 minutes as well. So that is when I enter. Got my entry right here. And I wanted to add to the position once we came down to 0.5 level of this 1 minute, but we just did a very fast wick down. So I should have had a limit out, but I didn't, so I missed this opportunity, and instead I added to the position once we reacted from that level and the 30 second closed above. So I was in with 4 contracts, and I had my first take profit right here. My first take profit right there, and final take profit right there. So yeah, I ended up getting stopped at B here. Unfortunately, I just got tapped. I had my stop loss right there, so I basically just got tapped out for it then to hit my target 1. But it is what it is. I ended up getting stopped out, which led to me at least not having a losing day or a red day. And after that, I just went off the charts. And this is like, it is straying away from the rules, but it isn't full port. I'm using low contracts and actually using confidences. Like that long wasn't bad at all. This long wasn't bad at all. The only thing was that short, but I was just 100% sure we were gonna go down. So I decided to enter. So that was the trade recap for today. Didn't really like today's price action. I don't really know why we didn't want to go down to this 4 hour and sweep London low before making our move up. It kind of didn't make sense to me, so hence I didn't take the long. But and then we just shop and get a. I don't know why we dumped this hard. I have no idea. We just randomly dumped 450 points. It must have been some news, I think. But yeah, that was a trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.